Hey, what's up? This is July, and today we're going to do the on the border lime chicken. This is such a simple recipe. We're going to use olive oil, on the border salsa, some adobo, some 5-pepper rub, 2 limes, and some breast chicken. I trimmed the fat on the chicken and sliced the breast in half. I add some adobo. I add some 5-pepper rub. I add 2 freshly squeezed limes. I add 1 jar of on the border salsa. Nice little night. For some smoke. What we got here? Oh yeah, some chicken breast. Yeah, that's looking nice. Oh, look at that. That is nice. Smoked this at 350 for about an hour and 15 minutes. Now I'm going to top it off with some Fiesta blend cheese. Yummy. This tastes amazing and is a family favorite. Be sure to follow on social media, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.